Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video I will finally try my new cutters. I will test it. I bought it one time at Amazon, I think for around 20 euro. I find it was pretty good price. And it has something extra inside, like cards, paper cards to present your earrings and ear hooks and rings. But usually I don't use it, so I bought it just for cutters. And at first time when we bought it, it was only 16 pieces inside. I must be 18, so we sent it back. We did complain and we received money back, of course, and we ordered it, and second time was everything fine. And in this video, that was completely not planned to make, but I thought why not to make a little video about it. I also will create a design from the scratches what I have, and we'll see how it will work, and at the end I will test my cutters. Okay, let's try, let's go, let's see. Of course it must be let's go, let's try, and let's see, but it doesn't matter now. Matter how sharp are these budget cutters. I hope we are fine. So let's see. So in this video I use Fimo Soft, Fimo Professional and Fimo Translucent. Maybe you see in top one yellow with light yellow with turquoise are translucent, and all goes together. But I must aware you, you can mix different brands of clay, but at first you must be sure that this clay polymer clay that you can bake in oven, and second that you must be aware about temperature. When you put it in oven, every clay, every brand, inside of brand, different lines of clay have their own baking temperature, so you must be aware about it. I absolutely don't recommend it to mix Fimo leather inside, so don't add Fimo leather if you have little pieces. Please don't do it, because it has other structure, it has other temperature of baking, and it must be longer in oven. It's a big chance that when you bake it, it will break in pieces, so please don't do it. It's not first time when I use this brand of ink, but first time when I use white color. So I was surprised how it's cover my clay, because before it was always perfect and nice, and now it's here type he did like a type of shrink, so he shrink and its bubbles appear like empty spaces, and I find it's like first not so real nice because like too much, but then I thought why not to try and continue. So you will see. After, when I applied ink, I let it dry for 5-10 minutes, and only then I carefully I carefully move stencil away. So here is the result. When you apply your ink, please use very soft brush. This is best what you can do. And I'm happy with these cutters. Well, sharp enough. Before I used most times I use I think 95% in my works I use metal ones, and these ones I find were pretty good. Now I'm going to bake my pieces, but I will not take it out of my ceramic board. If you use bake paper or something else, you can carefully put it on the glass surface or on the ceramic surface, but I immediately made it on the ceramic and I baked it on it. So now I take pieces out when it was just baked and it's still warm, and I carefully moved. Maybe on video you don't see that it's carefully, but it's already a lot of skills. So I moved it away from the ceramic board and let it completely cool down. Now I will sand it on the sides, and I advise you to use cloth, because if you will leave little fingerprints where always little bit have a little bit of fat on your skin, and you cannot clean it with alcohol like I do it usually, because ink will vanish out of the surface. So be careful. And for varnish I will use resin. You can use two components, epoxy, you can use varnish, and I will use resin, UV resin. So I need to apply it and place it under special lamp. And it's finally ready. With another pieces I will create something else, I will use it for other project, and with these pieces I will make earrings and pendant. So thank you for watching me. I hope you enjoyed. Push like if you like. If you have questions, please leave it under this video. I will be happy to answer, and to the next video. Bye.